Oh, hey, welcome back, you guys. So we all know that the quarantine isn't going to end so soon in India. So why not create something, do something, and enjoy the process. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create these amazing clouds all by yourself at home and get amazing pictures like I did. And without wasting any more time, let's begin. So all you need are some fairy lights, a glue gun, cotton, and water bottles. So all I'm doing is I am inserting the lights inside the bottle, and oops, I just forgot. I will be making holes. This is before I start inserting the lights. So I'm just using any sharp object that I have, and now I'll be inserting this craft wire. You can easily find this on Amazon. Once that's done, all I'm doing is I'm simply sticking the cotton on the bottle, and now I will just fix the wire. All I'm doing is I'm just twisting it till it's secure and nothing more. So now I'm just doing the same process all over again, and yeah, pretty much that's it. I'm also putting small pieces of cotton all over the cotton because I want the clouds to be super fluffy and really smooth. Alright, so I just wanted to show you that this is the wall that I'll be using. So all I did was I attached a rope so that I could hang the clouds. Now to hang the clouds, I will be using a white thread. The reason I'll be using a white thread is because it won't be that evident. And now I'll be using Fevicol to stick some more cotton on the strands. So after that, I also wrapped around some fairy lights over the top because I just felt like it wasn't that enough, the ones which were inside the bottles. And yeah, this is what it looks during the daytime, and this is what it looks during the nighttime, and it was pretty nice. And here are the pictures, you guys. Also, do let me know if you would like to see how I created these pictures. I would love to do a tutorial on the same, so let me know in the comments down below.
I begin to
So over here, I also changed the location of the clouds, and then I kind of just threw some cotton out there. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you create it too at home. Until next time, stay healthy and stay safe.